In this video, I'm going to show you how to add and remove indicators in TradingView. So first open up your TradingView chart, and from here where you can see top left corner where it says indicators, click on it and search any indicator you want to add on TradingView. Let's say I want to add super trend. So here you can see super trend, click on it and the indicator will be added on your chart. And if you want to remove this indicator later, what you can do is go to the top left corner and show indicator legend, click on it, and then here you can see the indicator I have added, super trend. I want to remove this indicator from here. Just click on this cross button right next to the indicator. This will remove the indicator from your chart. So this is how you can add and remove indicators in TradingView.